All right, you're welcome once again to another training on DocuWare. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to store and then also retrieve your documents in document management system like your DocuWare platform. All right, let's go over to our account. As you can see, when you log on to your account, your document trail here, and basically your document trail is where all your documents that you want to work on always resides. All right, so basically we want to look at two things: how to store your documents, and then also how to retrieve the document or how to search for your document. Okay, and so bear in mind that with DocuWare as a document management system, your document can never get mixing, but there's always a case where you can find yourself wanting by looking for a document without getting the document in the system, because when you were storing the document, you did not store it to the location or the file cabinet that you are searching the document from. And so quickly, don't move away. I'm going to walk you through all those basic tricks, and then at the end of the day, you will be able to stay effective, efficient, and then also productive at work. All right, so document trail and bring in a document. So just go all right. So now when you import document into your document trail, you know that at this point the document is with you or is on your desk, and so you can decide to discard it or delete it. But remember, when you store the document into the system, you need someone with a higher privilege to be able to delete the document. And at this point, it's the same as having an envelope or a document basically sitting on your office desk, and so you can decide and delete the document. But that is not what we are doing for today. We basically want to store and then retrieve. All right, so if you want to store any document and to be so sure about the document that you are storing, when you open the document at the right hand side, that will enable you to have access to the document before you save the document. All right, and so from here, now that you have seen everything about the document, if you are convinced and want to save it, button here. Remember, with your case or in your case, your organization may be having different stored dialogues. We call them stored dialogues, and so you pay attention to the one that you are using to save the document. The one you are using to save the document is basically when you are looking for the document, the same thing you use to search for the document. My store dialog is having voice. So when I click on it, it's only giving me access to store. In your case, you may be having store dialog for memo, you may be having store dialog for letters, you may be having store dialog for invoices and other things. So you select or you choose according to the document that you are saving. All right, so when you finish, you provide the metadata that will enable you save the document, so that in future when you are looking for it, you don't struggle. So I'll just head over, highlight on this, put the money, let's say 6. And if you have the contact, you just put the contact. The day it was paid, you can select the day it was paid as well, and paid by who, you can just indicate the document, the invoice. You simply and document will be saved successfully. Okay, so basically you have been able to import a document and also saved the document. The next thing is, in future, if you want to look up for the image, where do you go? Search. You click on the search, and then you can see that you will be having a drop down here depending on your organizational structure, you may be having a lot of search dialogues also, and they are always equal to the store dialogue. Okay, so a situation whereby you have a store dialogue like 5, you must have equally search dialogue like 5. Okay, so at this point I only have search dialogue for invoice because I have store dialogue, a full text search, or enter in invoice that I just saved. Then you can see that my invoice will pop up for me. So this is the document that I saved just in some few minutes, past. All right, so basically this is how to save documents and then also retrieve documents. In our next video, we will show you how to start workflow from beginning to the end. Click on the subscription button and hit on the notification bell so that anytime a new video is uploaded, even on DocuWare or outside DocuWare, you can also be notified. Thank you.